Sunshines. I understand that we are having a little bit of trouble with turning in some assignments. Now, Canvas is new to all of us, so all I can ask is that you be a little bit patient with us while we are working out some bugs on our end. And we promise to be patient with you while you're working out bugs on your end. We know this is a huge learning curve, so I would suggest that if you are really truly concerned about something getting to your teacher and you're having trouble, use this little inbox over here to message your teacher. That is the quickest way to get a hold of us um, and to let us know, hey, this is going on. Um, but for example, in my class, I might be able to get to that quicker than I can get to calling you back. So don't panic. Just inbox us and talk to us and tell us what's going on, okay? Communicate with us so we can communicate with you. But let's talk about how to turn in an assignment. So we're going to take a look at just one of my classes, just a generic thing, and we're going to turn in an assignment here just to get some practice. So we're going to go to my seventh grade English class, and this is, kind of what it would look like. This is what it'll look like for students. Now, here's an important part. You need to make sure you're checking these announcements. Your teacher can let you know, hey, this is really important. Check up here, okay? So let's say I'm working on my modules, and I've got something that I want to turn in for the adverb assignment. Let's say I'm going to turn in something for that, okay? So this is one where I've created a document and I need to upload my doc to complete the assignment. So to start my assignment, I'm going to go to Submit Assignment, and then down here, if you are using your Google login and you are using, like, let's say you signed into Google using your school email and you've signed into Chrome to do your work, you should be able to access all of your work through this Google Drive button. Now, in a second, you'll see it's going to tell me I can't do that while I'm masquerading. That means that I can't show you that because I'm not a student. But if you click on Google Drive, there'll be a little search bar that comes up here, and you can search for the assignment that you want to turn in. Okay? We're going to upload something from my actual computer. So let's say you're working on a desktop and you've typed something in Word and you want to turn that in. You can choose your file here. Okay, I don't know that I really have anything that we can turn in, but let's see what we got. We've got something for grammar here. I'm going to go in, I'm going to dig for what it is that I need to turn in, okay? Once I've done that, you'll see your assignment come up right about here, okay? Even if you're on Google Drive, you'll see something come up over here, and it might say like prepositions.doc instead of PDF. That's totally fine. If you need to tell me something like, I really got stuck on number 5, or I'm totally missing the concept of number 10. Can you please help me with it? Or even, I'm sorry this was late. I've been really sick. Whatever you need to tell us there is your opportunity to tell us. But you don't have to tell us something with every assignment. Okay? Save this for like an emergency note that you need to make sure your teacher knows something. Okay? This is not something where you have to make a comment. You never have to make a comment if you don't want to, but you don't have to use it every time. It's just there just in case, okay? Think about this comments box like a virtual version of coming up to your teacher at their desk to tell them that you did your work, basically, okay? So we're done with that. We're going to submit assignment here. Hopefully, there we go. We get some pizza, we get some confetti, and it says resubmit up here at the top. That resubmit tells me that I've done my work, but it's confirmed over here on the far right with this, okay? And I can look at my submission details and see, okay, I've turned it in. Oh, crud, I forgot to tell my teacher something. You can go back in here and let them know, okay? So that's kind of how you're going to turn in some work there, okay? So that'll give you an idea of what you need to do to turn in your work. Now, you might see a lot of information over here, that stuff that's coming up due. And how that comes up over here will depend on how your teacher has it set up. But now you know how to go into an assignment or a module and turn in your work. If you have any questions, reach out to your teachers. We're here to help. Have a great day.